Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to record a video on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, we want to make sure that we are in video mode. We can simply do that by swiping our finger from left to right into video, or alternatively by pressing the power button once, which also changes the mode. Once we are in the video, we can also change our lenses. So for example, I can change the lens here, so now I can see myself. And in order to record the video, I want to simply press the record button, which is right here. So as you can see, remember to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. What a beautiful video. So as you can see, the video is recorded, and yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.